Swansboro Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. Beautiful two-story home in quiet neighborhood. Close to base, schools, shopping and beaches. Eat-in kitchen, formal dining room, living room with fireplace, laundry room, 2.5 baths. Master has garden tub, large back deck, 2-car garage. Won't last long. Pet allowed, no dangerous breeds.